wrong and you go, baby. That last to my body so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. Get you right in my space.
Hey guys, welcome to yet another vlog. I just realized that I didn't make an intro, so I'm already like halfway through and I realized I haven't made an intro and I should. So if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Make sure that you subscribe, you like this video, you comment down below, and you join the family. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So yes, that's a good enough intro. Oh, and also follow me on my socials, on Instagram at Wanku04, on Facebook, on Kumbuchi Wangula, and on TikTok. Guys, I forgot it. What's my TikTok name? I don't even know. It should be like, I think Wanku with a white heart. Yeah. And I'll look forward to that. Otherwise, thank you so much for joining this vlog. It's just like a productive vlog, pretty much day with family, blah blah blah. So you guys better enjoy this vlog.
Okay, so I actually forgot to talk while recording this, or rather, I don't even know why I wasn't even talking. But anyway, I was making some breakfast before starting the day, so I just got some eggs with some noodles. I usually like having my noodles with eggs and some mayonnaise, tomato sauce, or whatever nice sauce really that's available.
So you guys, the power situation has been so bad, such that my fridge literally started getting rotten. Okay, not the fridge, but like the contents got rotten. So you know, I actually thought it's going to get better, so I took long to take action. But when I realized that things are going bad, and it was horrible, I took some stuff to my friend's room because she stays on campus and they always have power on campus, like always. So I took stuff there, I threw some, I cleared out my fridge. But one mistake I made was I did not clean the fridge. And so the fridge is really smelling so bad. The living room is smelling ever since I opened the fridge. And yeah, I just want to deep clean it right now. So I'm just positioning my tripod, trying to mount it up so that I could film while doing that. And you know, they said the power situation will get better in October, and better is 3 hours. It was like 30 minutes. It was coming for 30 minutes in September and going for like maybe 2 days straight. And it was very horrible. So at least now it's coming every day for 3 hours, but that's still not enough. I honestly thought they meant like 12 hours or something. Anyway, let's go clean the fridge and all that stuff. Okay, let me show you guys what we're working with. Let's pause this. I was watching Suits. I love Suits. Suits is nice. So this is what we're working with. This is the fridge. It's a bit dirty. I've already put like some detergents, powdered soap. I've put Ajax, and I have a sack inside. I've never used it for anything. It was my onion sack. And then I just have this blue band. It's not butter, but it's like where I keep all the kitchen soaps and all that stuff. Not Ajax, sorry, Boom Force. I have this whole bucket of Boom powder just in case I need some more. And then I have this, which I later need to like soak and wash. It's like a cloth that I use. So I'm going to be, oh, and I also have some water over here. So yeah. Okay, so I just finished deep cleaning the fridge, and if I'm being very honest, I feel like it's not so clean enough. So I'm going to try to clean it on another day. And the gloves I was wearing were they're so flimsy, like water was entering. I don't even think, I don't know. I feel like they didn't make much of a difference, you know? And my parents are in town, so I'm writing a list. Because if you're a student, you know that it's so difficult, guys, to like, you know, live in this economic cost of living crisis. So whenever my parents are in town, we are buying one or two things with their money, not with my money. So I want to just like write a very short list. I just want toilet detergent, honestly, and yeah, I think toilet detergent and maybe like some meat, pretty much, not much. And then I'm sure we're going to go eat somewhere, and I'm just excited for that. Yeah, my body is so tired. I haven't like done so much in a short space of time in a long time, because I have cleaned my room, I have packed my desk, I've cleaned the fridge, I have literally mopped the kitchen and the living room, and I've washed plates. That's a lot. I'm going to go shower afterwards, then thereafter I'm sure I'm going to like, you know, spend the day with family. I'm so excited, you guys. I love spending time with family because they're like the best people ever, you know. Of late I've really been jamming to South African music. Okay, I've always been a fan of South African music, but it's hitting different these days, you know. So I just want to put it on in the background while I do my edges and my lips. What is this one? It's called Uyangi Jabulisa. That's my current fave. It's so good. I hope YouTube will. Can I show my love for you? 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 You guys, please comment down below on what you would want to see me do more of. Sometimes I do feel like I would flourish with sit down videos, because the time I didn't have a channel, when I used to watch YouTubers, I liked watching like sit down videos just to listen to them, their think pieces, you know, lessons, blah blah blah. As compared to vlogs, sometimes I would think vlogs were dragging. You know what I mean? Like the vlogs were dragging. So I would prefer to like listen to sit down video. But I don't know. Being a YouTuber has made me like vlogging more than sit down videos. What do you guys think? Please comment down below so that I could have like, you know, an overview of what you guys think. I don't know why when I stand like this, I look darker this side. But when I do this, it's even. So I don't know, my cheekbone is like high because my skin is even. My skin is even, but when I stand like this, it looks like I'm lighter here and darker here. I don't know. It's very weird. You guys, I literally told all my friends to say, please pray for me. Like, I wanted customers for my business, because ever since I stopped due to load shedding, I didn't have customers. And today, oh God, is good. I'm so excited. Yeah, let me just call one of my customers that wants a cake. I'll be back. Okay, yeah, so as I was saying, I am so excited. Like, my neighbor just came and said, oh, you do cakes, right? I have a friend that wants a cake. You guys, I am so broke. I need the money right now. And it's not even that, like, I just want to get my business up and running, because ever since September, my business has like gone, because I really just couldn't manage like going to campus with stuff. So I used to tell people like, oh no, I can't manage. And ever since then, business has been so bad. So now I'm like, guys, bring it on, I can manage. You know? Actually look cute. I wish I was going somewhere where I could take pictures. I'm really craving like a good picture day. I can't wait to like, you know, have like a really amazing picture day. Like, let's go somewhere, take really cute pictures and all that stuff. Anyway, that's besides the point. I think good for the customers that I'm having today. And if you're out there and you want a cake, guys, they actually taste good. Trust me. Like, I wouldn't put you on something bad. They actually taste good. So please get your cakes from me. I think I'll insert like, you know, the pictures of the cakes, or just me baking them. This is me heading out. Just have on a smart t-shirt, some jeans and white sneakers, and a black bag. I am so drained and hungry, but I have to make this work. Okay, it's giving. Let's go.
We can ride in the Bentley, ghost ride through the city on me. We can ride in the 88 Cutlass, gon' swing with the goldies. Ooh, no, I got it like that. You gon' need somebody like that. With a big body like that. You gon' need somebody like that. We can ride in the Bentley, ghost ride through the city on me. We can ride in the 88.
Hey, mommy. Santi, look behind. Oh, hey, don't fall. Okay. Daddy, say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hey, hi.
Hi, YouTube.
Yeah, hi,
Mom,
YouTube.
we have
Good
Dad,
to see you.
Santi. Oh no. We insert her. We insert take a picture so she doesn't feel bad. Yeah, so we are at Waterfalls Mall now. Just getting some supper and, you know, having some family time because they've come to see us. Okay, they haven't come to see us, but we are the. Where are we passing? Let's pass the same. Yeah.
Can I show my love for you?
You're feeling shy?
The last time I came here,
Mommy.
Mommy, look.
Hi, how was your trip?
Oh, the trip was so okay. It was good.
It was fine. You're not
Yes.
tired?
I'm tired now because I've been working since morning.
Okay.
Can I show my love?
I want chicken. The only people here even told you.
Yes. I feel like getting better. Want to make look. So you can see a curly.
Like a pizza, then you close the clean on itself.
No, the time I was in Shoprite.
This is they see me taking a video with no video. Something here you do it every day. Guys, what's the time now? It's 20:27. I am so exhausted and it's only 20. And the food isn't even ready yet.
My head looks big, eh?
It's the angle. Oh wow. Anyway, guys, don't
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a post the shiny notification. Finally, how are you? 4 dumplings for dumplings by 4 parts. Yeah. Anything else? No. It's too cute. Okay.
So guys, we are still at Waterfalls Mall. I'm just going to check if the order from Panarottis is ready. Then we're going to go back to KFC afterwards. Yeah. And your girl is so tired. It doesn't even feel like it's 20 hours. And I'm vlogging in public. This is a plus for me because I never do such things. Maybe it's because I'm with someone. But regardless, this is a plus. So yeah. See you guys when I get home, I think.
Hi YouTube. I'm here today.
Tell them to subscribe.
This is huh? Oh yeah, you need to subscribe. I
Yeah.
have subscribed.
Yeah.
We need to do that. We need to get to 1 million subscribers.
Yes, please.
So come on and join us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Can I show my love for you?
Hi Coffee Beans, hope you guys are loving